strong thunderstorm will impact portions of eastern Tarrant and western Dallas counties through 10:30 a.m. At 9:48 a.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Arlington, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour and a half-inch hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Duncanville, Hearst, Farmers Branch, Southlake, Watauga, University Park, and Colleyville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 418 and 445. Interstate 20 between mile markers 441 and 467. Interstate 30 between mile markers 19 and 46. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.